atoms showing protons, neutrons and electrons arrangements for neutral atoms of first 20 elements in the periodic table. In 1913, Niels Bohr developed a model of the atom in which electrons are found outside the nucleus where they occupy shells. What are the shells? According to Bohr's model, the circular path of electron around the nucleus is called shell or energy level. K, L, M and N are shells or energy levels. This diagram shows the structure of atom in which protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus and electrons are revolving in a circular path around the nucleus. Atomic symbol is represented by a letter X. It is an abbreviation used to represent atom in chemical formulas. Mass number is represented by a capital letter A and it is the number of protons and neutrons in atom. Atomic number is represented by a capital letter Z. It is the number of protons in atom. This is the simplified version of the periodic table which shows 20 elements. The horizontal rows are called periods. Period 1 consists of hydrogen and helium. Period 2 is from lithium to neon. Period 3 is from sodium to argon. From period 4 we take 2 elements and these elements are potassium and calcium. Before to draw Bohr's diagrams for atoms, we must know the atomic mass and atomic number of elements. Niels Bohr developed the simplest set of rules to fill up shells with electrons. Bohr also said that lower shell must be completely filled before electrons can be added to the next shell. Bohr starts with the simplest element, hydrogen. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. It tells us about the number of proton and neutron. No neutron is present in hydrogen atom. 1 electron is present in a neutral atom of hydrogen. The second element of period 1 is helium. The atomic mass of helium is 4. The atomic number of helium is 2. Helium atom contains 2 protons, 2 neutrons and 2 electrons. Bohr also said that lower shell must be completely filled before electrons can be added to the next shell. Period 2 starts from lithium. The atomic mass of lithium is 7. The atomic number of lithium is 3. We have to apply the formula N is equal to A minus Z and we have to find out the number of neutrons by applying this formula. That's why lithium atom contains 3 protons, 4 neutrons, 3 electrons. After filling the K shell, we are going to add the third electron in the L shell. The atomic mass of beryllium is 9. The atomic number of beryllium is 4. The beryllium atom contains 4 protons, 5 neutrons and 4 electrons. The atomic mass of boron is 11. The atomic number of boron is 5. We have to apply the same formula to find out the number of neutrons. The boron atom contains 5 protons, 6 neutrons and 5 electrons. The atomic mass of carbon is 12. The atomic number of carbon is 6. It contains 6 protons, 6 neutrons and 6 electrons. The nitrogen atom contains 7 protons, 7 neutrons and 7 electrons. This is the atomic structure of oxygen atom. The atomic mass of oxygen is 16. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. The oxygen atom contains 8 protons, 8 electrons and 8 neutrons. The first shell contains 2 electrons and second shell contains 6 electrons. The fluorine atom contains 9 protons, 10 neutrons and 9 electrons. This is the atomic structure of neon atom. The neon atom contains 10 protons, 10 neutrons, 10 electrons. The first shell is completely filled with 2 electrons and the second shell is also filled with 8 electrons. Neon is a noble gas. The third period starts from sodium. It contains 11 protons, 12 neutrons and 11 electrons. The first shell contains 2 electrons, the second shell contains 8 electrons and the last shell contains 1 electron. This is the atomic structure of magnesium atom. The atomic mass of magnesium is 24. The atomic number of magnesium is 12. The magnesium atom contains 12 protons, 12 neutrons and 12 electrons. The aluminum atom contains 13 protons, 14 neutrons and 13 electrons. The atomic mass of aluminum is 27 and the atomic number of aluminum is 13. The silicon atom contains 14 protons, 14 neutrons and 14 electrons. The phosphorus atom contains 15 protons, 16 neutrons and 15 electrons. The first shell contains 2 electrons, the second shell contains 8 electrons and the outermost shell contains 5 electrons. The sulfur atom contains 16 protons, 16 neutrons and 16 electrons. The atomic mass of chlorine is 35. The atomic number of chlorine is 17. The chlorine atom contains 17 protons, 18 neutrons and 17 electrons. The first shell contains 2 electrons, the second shell contains 8 electrons and the outermost shell contains 7 electrons. This is the structure of argon atom. Argon is the last element of period number 3. It contains 18 protons, 22 neutrons and 18 electrons. The first shell contains 2 electrons, the second shell also contains 8 electrons and the outermost shell is also filled with 8 electrons. The fourth period starts from potassium. The atomic mass of potassium is 39. The atomic number of potassium is 19. The potassium atom contains 19 protons, 20 neutrons and 19 electrons. Bose also said that lower shell must be completely filled before electrons can be added to the next shell. Now in the case of potassium, after filling K, L, M and N shell, we place 1 electron in the N shell. This is the structure of calcium atom. The atomic mass of calcium is 40. The atomic number of calcium is 20. The calcium atom contains 20 protons, 20 neutrons, 20 electrons. The first shell contains 2 electrons. The second shell also contains 8 electrons. The third shell is also filled with 8 electrons and the outermost shell contains 2 electrons.